In my last two, three, four videos, I have talked about the apps that I use to enhance my visibility on YouTube, the apps that I use to edit my videos, the apps that I use to, make things easy for me as a content creator here on YouTube. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to use ChatGPT to increase your visibility, get title, get description, get searchable on YouTube. Some persons have the app, or some persons have never even heard about it. Some have heard. They don't even know what ChatGPT is about. They don't know the power that app have. ChatGPT is just one of it. It's an AI tool. Dixit is another one that you can use to generate good content ideas for your channel. Now, for you to be able to understand what I'm saying, if you click off, you won't get the point. If you just stop right now, you won't get the point. So it's better you watch to the end of this video so that you can understand what this video is about and use this app, to increase the visibility here on YouTube and on any other platform. Now let's get right into it. I'm showing you my the interface of my screen. So just be patient and patiently watch through it. If you have any question, you can ask. You can leave any comments, right? Use the comment section, leave the question, and I'm going to respond to you when I see it. So I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to get titles, description, SEO, search, SEO keywords, hashtags from ChatGPT, and even content ideas from ChatGPT. I already have the apps downloaded here on my phone, so I'm just going to open it and we're going to get right into the tutorial. All right, so you download ChatGPT and do follow the prompts to get it installed on your phone. For those who are using Android phones, you can download from Play Store, and for those who are using the what's it called phones like iPhone, you can download from your App Store, right? So we're going to when you open ChatGPT right like this, open ChatGPT. This is how it's going to open up. Now let's just get straight into it. I'm going to be asking ChatGPT. I'm going to give it my prompts. Now the kind of prompts you get to ChatGPT is going to determine the kind of response you will get back from it. So it's always important you know how to direct your question or direct your prompt so that you get something that is quite reasonable as a response. So I'm just going to give ChatGPT my own prompt, and then we're going to continue from there. You can also, type in whatever prompt that you want to use, but like I said, ensure that you give the right prompt. I'm going to click on this arrow facing up, right, to send it. Then we just wait for the. All right, so this is the response. It's still typing. Searchable title: How to use ChatGPT for YouTube growth. Titles, SEO keywords, and description made easy. If you're not okay with this title, you can, um, let, let me assume I'm not okay with this particular title. I can still type, can I get more title suggestions? I'll send that again, and then it's still going to give me. It's saying 15 more suitable and SEO friendly YouTube title suggestions for your video. I can just go through any of this and pick any one I want. Right? It's giving me 15 searchable titles. I can go through any of this and pick anyone for my video. That's about titles. Now, the next step when you create a video or when you're uploading a video, is the description, right? Now, it has already given me a description right here that I can use. It can describe the video, give me timestamps, give me. This one is really short. There are some other times when I try to use it, and then it gives me a space for links and all of those. Now you know that it's important that when you're uploading your video, it's important that you always add. There are three important things you always add to your description. First, the description of the video. The next one is hashtags. The next one is links. It's always important that you have these three elements in your description section. The first one is the description of the video itself. what the video is about. You can actually add timestamps if you want to. Then you go ahead and add hashtags, at least 15 hashtags that are relatable, or that are relatable and relating to the topic you have created a video for. The next one is link. It's always important to add at least one link to your video. Now, this is an advice. It's better you add a link that talks about like the link to your YouTube channel where people can easily subscribe, or you can add a link to a particular video, or you can add a link to your playlist. For me, I always add my YouTube subscription button, like the link to my YouTube page where you can easily subscribe, or I go ahead and add a playlist. No, and I go ahead to add my playlist. I always include my playlist in my description section. Now that's for description. Now for the SEO, if you scroll down here, you start giving you some SEO keywords. I don't completely depend on this for my SEO keywords. I always combine this with the ones I get from vidIQ. Just in case you don't know what vidIQ is about. I made a video. This link showing up here, you can click on it to watch that video. I This particular part, SEO keywords, they are very, very important for every YouTuber. You need to understand what SEO is. That's the search engine optimization. This is what help people to find your videos on YouTube or on any social platform. If you're able to use the right keywords, your videos become really searchable. Permit me to deviate a bit. Let me show you. Since I started using the right SEO the right SEO keywords. This is what has been happening on my channel. I'm going to show you this. This is my YouTube studio, right? For every video I post now, you will notice that I now get YouTube recommendations, right? YouTube, look at it right here. YouTube recommendations, meaning YouTube is showing my videos to more persons. Now let me scroll down. You will see that when I scroll and I click on real time. No, sorry, not real time. When I scroll down and I go to the reach, I scroll to the reach and I scroll down, you will see when you go to YouTube search terms, CapCut baby video editing, CapCut tutorial for beginners, CapCut videos. These search terms are the search terms that are suggesting my videos to people, right? These search terms here are the search terms that suggesting my videos to people. And this is simply because I included them. I included at least, maybe not like this CapCut baby. No, I don't have CapCut baby in my SEO, but I have CapCut tutorial for beginners, CapCut videos on my SEO. So when people type in CapCut videos, there's a possibility that my video is going to come up. Do you get the explanation? Now, if you go to content suggesting this video, now, the first one here is the video I made on how to make thumbnail, and then the other video, this one is from Jazzy Studios. He made a similar video. So these two videos are the videos that are suggesting these videos to people. Point is, because I am now using the right search engine optimization, that's the keywords, the right keywords, the, the possibility of YouTube recommending my videos to other people is now becoming higher. I don't used to have this before. It wasn't like this before when I started posting. But because I'm now doing something right, I I believe that is another reason why YouTube is recommending my videos to more persons. Now let's go back to CapCut. Sorry, ChatGPT. So I have my SEO keywords, I have the hashtags, I have everything that I currently have what I need for this video to get to more persons, right? Now on this ChatGPT here, I can create a thumbnail, right? And I'll come back for the same video. I'll create a thumbnail using Canva. I also made a video on how to use Canva to make thumbnails. You can also watch it. Click on the link showing up here to be able to watch it. So I made a on that in that video rather, I explained how you can make a thumbnail. So when you create a thumbnail, I bring it back here, and then I go to this part that has this picture icon, and then I upload the thumbnail there. Let's see the one I created recently. So upload that there. I'm going to ask chat I'm going to ask chat. I'll click on it, or I'll click on done, and allow it to upload while I type. What do you think about this thumb thumbnail? I'm going to send it and allow it to give me feedback. Sending. Uh, this is giving me a feedback about what's this. I mean, the feedback about this thumbnail. It says it's bold, readable, bright colors, Canva branding, smiling face, phone prop, and all of those. Now, the things that I can I can change. Suggestions for improvement, spacing and alignment. I can work on what all this letters written here, font clarity, add a hook phrase and all of those. I can make any of those adjustments. But aside that, it is strong and effective. Now if I post a thumbnail that's not good, that is not clear, that is not doesn't have the chances of being seen, and then somebody want to click to watch or to see what I have in the video, it's also going to tell me here that this particular thumbnail is not good for this video. Do this or do this or do this. Do you understand? On that thing again, that you can still generate your own thumbnail on ChatGPT here by giving it the right prompts. I won't go into that. I won't go into that details. But I already explained that when you give it the right prompts, by prompt I mean when you type in this ask anything and you type the right things you want in your thumbnail, it's actually going to help you generate the thumbnail. Do you get that point? Now, the last thing I would like to talk about for ChatGPT is the fact that let's assume that you are new on YouTube. You already know your niche, but you don't know what topics that you can create videos on. You can actually ask chat for ideas. Okay, so let me try that. I need um topics for what should I talk about? Okay, I need topics and titles for no, let me not go that way. I just began my YouTube channel. I just began I just began a makeup YouTube YouTube channel. Kindly kindly suggest topics I can create videos on. Okay. So this prompt is obviously for someone who's into makeup. The reason why it's saying memory updated and congratulations because it already knows that I already have two channels. I already have all of those information and chats here. So it's giving me this update because it believes that I'm starting a new channel. Okay, but this is the topics that it has suggested to me. How to do a full face off makeup for beginners, product reviews. All these are topics that someone who wants to begin a makeup channel can actually pick from and then go ahead to modify the topics and then create content about around it. Now, if you see for it's also asking me, would you like me to help you create a calendar, a video script, or a thumbnail? Now, if I don't have an idea on how to do any of these things, all I need to type here is to just say yes, right? Just say yes, and then it's going to give me exactly what I need with with me giving it some more prompts, making adjustments here and there, and then I'll be able to get exactly what I need. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now. See you next week when I post the next video. Right? Bye bye.